So I reached my next destination. I am now at the very edge of the mainland of Italy, in the region of Reggio Calabria, which is the biggest city here in the area. You know, I was strolling for Airbnb and I found this place, and it was really cheap, $34 a night. And so I booked it, and it's like a very distant village in the middle of nowhere. Just listen how quiet it is. This is my Airbnb building, and I just got here, and I just wanted to show you guys what kind of an apartment can you get for $34 a night here in the deep south of Italy. It is a recently renovated building from the 19th century, and our apartment is up there, up those stairs. So let's go there and check it out. As you can see, the building is located in this village, in this main square of this little village. Very peaceful. Now let us climb up. So here, there's a little balcony. It's not the best time of the year to sit and chill, but still, just look at this view to the mountains, to nature. It's quite beautiful. Okay. Let's go in. Hope you're ready for this. So, what do we have here? This is the main corridor. To our right, there's a bedroom. How nice. Let's see if there's... Yes. So you have a bedroom. Very chill. Very beautiful. Look at this ancient furniture. And now, this is the main room, guys. Check it out. This is huge. You have this ancient fireplace, which is functioning, by the way. I have no idea how to use it. Maybe we'll play with it later, although it's a bit scary. But just look at the space. Look at the size of this place. Wow. So let's check it out. So you have vintage furniture. You have more vintage sofas. You have vintage cupboard. Just look what the host left us. The traditional Christmas cake here in Italy, the panettone, and sweets for breakfast, and snacks, and a bottle of wine. Oh my God! And here you have some breakfast, some cereals, a bit of honey. And this place is all for me? What? That's ridiculous. $34 a night. 34. Wow, look at this vintage cup set. This is just... I feel like sipping some tea out of it. This is the kitchen. You have a coffee machine, you have the kettle, and look at this, guys. The host left us pasta, some moody tomato sauce, and olive oil. This is a fully equipped kitchen with everything you might need: a toaster oven, stove. Now let's see what's in the fridge. Oh my God. Just look at this. The fridge is just filled with everything you need to make yourself a nice meal. Let's check out the freezer. Oh my God. No. Limoncello. We are gonna party tonight. I don't know with whom. Probably by myself, but boy am I gonna party. But this is not the end. No. The corridor goes on, and here is the bath. Wow. Just, guys, come on, look at it. It has amazing art, vintage art from the old days. It's so spacious, everything is brand new. And if that is not enough, yes, guys, this place has yet another bedroom. Oh my God, look at this. What? What? Look at this bed. It's like 500 years old or something. What the hell? Babies were conceived here for centuries. $34, guys. 30, I'll repeat. Yes? No, you do not need hearing aid. You're not growing, you're not getting deaf. You heard me right. $34 a night. And this whole place is mine for 4 days, 3 nights. It's one morning later in this amazing Airbnb apartment, and as I was walking by, I saw this. And here on this wall it says that there are more floors to explore. Yeah, they say there are more things, and this is what caught my eye. Apparently, there's a terrace upstairs. We gotta check it out. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. What a nice roof, guys. Check this out. This is so nice. Just look at this view. Wow. In here, there are chairs, you can chill, get a sun bath. That's so cool. I think I'll stay here forever.